What's done to this thing, bro? This thing crazy, bro.
Let me gap Alex Z, bro.
And already people are getting pulled over. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know exactly what this is. This is a throwback right here. Hey! Hey! Damn. We at a dispensary, bro. This ain't no Kyrie, bro.
Here for you, Adrian. Come on, bro.
Adrian, you capping, bro.
All the way over there, bro.
He's too cool, bro. You know, you go on bags and you forget about everyone, bro.
What's up, guy?
What's up, fool?
How you doing?
What's up, dude? What's up, man? Alex. Nice to meet you.
You just dabbing everybody up? Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys?
This is mad love, bro. This is Darren, huh? No. Darren. No. What's up, dude?
What's up, bro? You know,
What's going on, bro?
Y'all here enjoying the cars? You know how it is? All the cars you've been reviewing this week?
Bro, mad. Oh, video after video, bro. It was fucking crazy right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We're starting the vlog off at a meet today. Was able to get out. I just finished doing the Mustang review. It was super fun, but now we're out here chilling with the homies, and hopefully it's a good vlog for you guys. After the meet, we are going to Mexico. Yo, y'all capping, bro. Y'all the worst vlog team ever, bro. Is that Adrian, bro?
That's not no one important.
The static? Z? Oh. Y'all capping, bro.
how many looks did you get while coming in here, bro?
Woo! Woo!
Well, I should have parked right here, bro.
Yeah, I could have parked right here, bro. This one right here. My man got the transform. Sheesh. This man lit, bro. AutoZone sponsored, bro.
Carbon fiber, bro?
God damn. Bro, he waxing on you, bro. You gotta step up your game, bro.
Hey, I got
Oh!
Nope, it's stock. Stock all around, buddy.
That wasn't going on Facebook and YouTube.
Can't tell you.
Is that Alex Z though?
What's done to this thing, bro? This ain't no normal fucking Subi, bro.
It's 2.0, you know, just stock RS.
Nah, you're capping, bro.
It's a 2004 STI swap. Brembo,
Hey.
suspension, everything.
That's lit, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and leave his Instagram. You guys go shoot him a follow, and hopefully we do a review on this pretty soon.
Oh, pretty soon, pretty soon. Pretty soon.
Bro, you're capping, bro. Your shit whack. This thing crazy, bro.
Beautiful, though.
With the big single, IS. Bro, this... Who's man's? Got the big tire in the back. Okay. I don't want a $10 pickup, bro. I don't want a cheap date, bro. Oh, stop it with your straight piped exhaust, bro.
That's the vlog content right there.
Hey.
Hey, man, that's a review right there, bro. Review that.
Hey, no que me cut.
You want to see content, bro? Let me gap Alex Z, bro, in my M4, boy.
Oh.
Your bestie is a dick sucker, a big double. I wanna liquor, you big hater. We catch him at the chicken spot. I'm a couple drops on that nigga.
It's that Twitch money, bro. It's that Twitch money, bro. Y'all crazy, bro.
Bro, let me go home.
Alright, bro. I'll be on Warzone on Sunday, bro. Bro.
Hold up. Why is it so dark?
One eternity later.
God, bro. Who's man's, bro? That's why you gotta get a point and shoot, bro. What do you mean, bro? You got the biggest arms vlogging.
Look at that wide angle, bro. Bro, look at that wide angle.
Bro,
I got the strong. You mean I got, bro? Look at your camera compared to my shit. Like I got a strong ass arm. You gotta admit, like.
Literally, your camera is 2 of my cameras.
Oh my.
Look at that wide angle, bro. You're capping. I got.
Hey man, at least it shoots video, alright? At least it shoots video.
Hey, at least you're making a video, bro.
I'm gonna try to make a video.
No lie, bro. I know you be making videos, but you don't post them, bro. Come on, bro.
I guess you're right.
So we just got to the runs, and already people are getting pulled over. Which reminds me a lot of LA. Guy on YouTube, bro?
No. Bro, there he is. You look terrified, and you look twice as terrified. I know you were chilling, but like you looked half terrified. I was like, man.
I know. I was like, I don't know how he's gonna handle it. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Bro, you know, I did good, bro.
I'm not talking about you as a job. I'm talking about the car.
Oh,
yeah. I didn't know what was gonna happen.
No.
Yeah, for sure.
Hands down, like as far as like content went and like the structure of it, that was the best. That was the best video you did.
Doing a burnout on that.
The next day.
Damn. This man out here, bro.
This man got a Four Loko with cigarettes in his hand, bro.
This guy's a vibe, bro. This guy's a vibe right now, bro. This thing is a complete sleeper. Shout out to this man. Shit on bags too.
2003 E55 AMG. Supercharger straight from the factory. Upgraded pulley. Upgraded timing belt. On airbags. 3P. Long tube headers.
God damn, bro. This thing's modded as hell, bro.
Yeah. I got it for a sweet deal too, so.
I know, he told me how much, bro, which is fucking insane. This is sick, bro.
Yeah, just turn it off and let's see what move back for you.
This is clean too, bro.
I'll try a little bit.
A little bit, bro. You went down to the grill. Sheesh. So what's all done to this one?
Just the air-to-air. Got the 9-pound pulley, and then that's about it. Admin tune.
That's all you need, bro. Are you on 91 or E?
E85.
Sheesh. And then how much power does this make right now?
Right now 470.
Oh, okay. And that's low, I'm sure, huh?
Yeah.
You can go higher, yeah. Damn, bro. Do you plan on raising the boost at all?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a smaller pulley on the blower side, and then I'm gonna get the upgraded impeller.
Oh, okay.
So and then after I do that, I should be around like 650.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. This thing's sleeper, bro. Because you would think this is just like a stance car, you know?
Yeah, that's what I was going for.
Yeah,
I didn't want people to really think it was fast. I feel like the only giveaway is just my intercooler.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Fucking, what color are these calipers? Because I wanted to do the same color, but I can't find that.
Oh, I did them. You want me to do yours?
No way.
Yeah. I'll hook you up.
You for sure?
Yeah.
Oh, for sure, dude.
Run it up. I wake up.
Oh my god, there's two.
Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up.